Yeah, hello everyone. Day 100 here at Industrial Fabrication Company. It's a bit of a different day today. Wasn't feeling well yesterday and into today and didn't want to get anyone sick, so I was working from home. And so don't have as much as to what was going on in the shop, though I know there was some good progress there. But I was able to make some good progress on some of our external stuff. Got one of the bits of feedback from on Tuesday when we went over all the different things that the Notion boards do was getting a vendor list in there. So I was able to get that connected in with our contacts lists. And now kind of the next step is then when we're adding future projects, adding in which vendors we're using for that, so that for each job, it's very clear for everyone. Okay, here's what we're doing. Here's our contact for that. Go from there. And then also was working on for the vendors, having a better database for that for us to track orders where we can see, what's coming from Shopify versus, traditional PO ordering, and then, be able to break that down for some of the, summaries that we want, as well as something that will come probably tomorrow is, how can we look at, our success rate on how many we're quoting out, because, a lot of the times, bigger companies, particularly the ones that want to use POs or schools or whatnot, they ask us for a quote and then we may or may not get that order. So, figure out some form of conversion rate on that. So I got that. And then also as a part of that was working on, a lot of times for those customers, they require a part number, which isn't something we really had, but wanting to work that out based on some of the stuff that's in our drawings already. And then we can have that for when we have Kanban cards set up for as we move closer to single piece flow on our vendors altogether. So for the most part, pretty successful. I think we're still recovering from being sick a little bit, but good day and ready for another good one tomorrow.